I noticed that the rice water gave me faster results. If you take the hair vitamins month after month after month, you will plateau. Your skin just like pearl. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, welcome to where I talk everything non-toxic lifestyle, from natural hair to clean beauty, wellness, and travel. So today's video is going to be a hair video, and for those of you who don't know, I am on a hair journey and I am challenging myself to grow waistline hair. It is quite a feat, but I've always had long hair, so I just felt like it was definitely something that was attainable for me. If you aren't caught up, I will link up here a playlist where you can watch the previous videos and watch my journey. But just to wrap it up or sum it up really quickly, I started this hair journey at the end of March 2020 when I got my last trim, and the goal is to just reach waist length hair. I've been measuring it with the black, white, and red striped shirt, and I've been doing two things to expedite the hair growth. One has been hair vitamins, and the second thing has been rice water. So in each of the videos, I update you guys on how that has been coming along for me. So the goal was to reach waist length hair by the end of the year. Before I tell you guys, I want you to leave a comment below to let me know if I did it or if I didn't, based on what you see right here. And if you've been following me, you can kind of compare, but you think I made it? Let me know. Leave a comment down below. I'd love to see what you guys think. The goal was to grow a waist length hair by the end of the year. I had two methods that I was using to expedite the hair growth. One was hair vitamins that I've used before and I know that they worked. And then the second item was rice water, which I had never done before. So I've tried both methods. I've alternated between the two. I started off just doing 1 month of the hair vitamins, then I took a month break. Then I do a month of the rice water, then took a month break. And then I noticed which one gave me better results and then used that for a little bit. There were a couple of months, I took breaks in between each month. So it's like an expedited routine, nothing. An expedited routine and then nothing, just to give my hair a break. If you take the hair vitamins month after month after month, you will plateau. With the hair vitamins for sure, I've tried taking them for 3 months before back to back. After about a month and a half, it stops working. So for me, it worked well if you do a month, take a break, go back on for a month, and then take a break. So from experimenting, I noticed that the rice water gave me faster results. I don't know if my body has gotten used to the vitamins or whatnot, but when I did use the rice water, I noticed my hair grew faster. So I have been promising you guys that I would share the hair vitamins that I used at the end of this challenge. So here we go. I used the New Chapter. This is one of my favorite vitamin brands. I used the New Chapter Perfect Hair, Skin, and Nails. I will put a little picture so you can see it up close, but these vitamins are really good. So what I really love about these vitamins is that they're vegan capsules and they're made with silica. I used it for hair, but it also helps with your skin and nails. So it has a powerful antioxidant in here that reduces the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, improves the skin elasticity, and helps maintain a youthful appearance. It's made with 1000% of your daily value of probiotic fermented biotin. And this is really good stuff. I recommend it. I've used it before on and off, and I can attest to the fact that it does help your hair grow. So definitely try these out if you're trying to grow your hair. Let me know if it works for you. That's that with a vitamin. And now let's just get to the results, because I know that's what you're waiting for. I'm not going to keep you waiting any longer. So I'm going to insert a clip here of where I started. I was about at the 3rd red line with this shirt, and this is where I ended. So as you can see from the clips, I did not make waist length hair. The goal is to get to the bottom of this shirt, so I am a couple of inches away, but I do not feel defeated. I definitely am going to keep this journey going until I actually reach it. So in comparing the results, my hair grew 4.5 inches in just 10 months, which is really good. Normal hair growth is usually between about 3 to 6 inches a year, and I'm already at 4.5 in 10 months, so I'm trending towards the high end of the spectrum. I'm going to continue this journey because it's still my goal to get that waist length hair. My new question for you guys is, how long do you think it's going to take me? Also, we are in January. In March, I'm going to do a trim, so I'm going to lose a little bit of some length while I'm doing it, so it's gonna slow me down a little bit, but taking that into consideration, how long do you think it'll take me to get to waist length? For me, I am thinking, well, we're in January, February, March, April, May, June. I'm gonna say July is 6 months, that's like 3 inches, and I'm gonna end up cutting it. I'm gonna say by September. Between July and September, I think I'll reach it. I'm still going to continue. I probably won't use, I'll continue with the vitamins on and off, but what I really think I'm gonna hone in on next is the rice water. For the month of February, I'm gonna try to use the rice water the entire month. Because the rice water does have a lot of protein, you don't wanna use it every day or too often because your hair can become brittle. I'm gonna use it about 2 to 3 times a week for 4 weeks just to see how well it does with my hair. And if that thing do good, I'm gonna continue that for the rest of the year. I'll probably do it like once every other month just so that my hair has a chance to breathe. But yes, I am thinking between July and September I'll reach my goal. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this update. Let me know. Oh, and just as a result of using these vitamins and rice water, as you can see, my hair has been flourishing. My curls are moisturized. This is just the styler, no gel. Curls are very defined, moisturized, and my hair is growing. So even if you're not trying to get waist length hair, you can try these vitamins and the rice water out. If you do try it out, let me know and leave a comment. How's it going for you guys? If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell down below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and socials at itsshaywhite, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!